Yeah, this is our new product, Ski of the Year, winning the European ISPO Ski Award for a complete new definition, complete new technology of a rocket ski. I mean, rocket skis at this stage are, everybody's talking about rocker. We did a redefining, we call it the natural rocker, the flip core. What is the main thing? If you take a normal core of a ski, it's flat on the base side and it's convex on the top side. What we did basically is we switched around the core so that the convex part is on the base side and the flat part is on the top side, and therefore we get a natural rocket skis. This means we do not form or bring out of the form the ski after the production. The flipped core comes into the mold of the ski and it's just pressed. It's not, the form is not influenced anymore. So the product that comes out has already this natural rocker, which gives us big advantages in deep snow, obviously, because the tips and the ski end is higher, but especially it's much more stable. You have much more control, even on the slope, on the grounded slope, or also on difficult situations off-piste, which means wind-pressed snows, hard-packed snow. There, the natural rocker gives more stability, more edge grip, more ability to be controlled.